welcome. My name is Kathy A, and I do videos kind of geared towards people of a certain age. And that age can be 50, it can be 60, it can be 70, 80, 90. Why not? What the heck? I'll probably still be putting makeup on at 90. You never know. Anyway, I'm a very honest reviewer. I look for quality, I look for bargains. You will always get an honest opinion from me, and I try a diverse amount of products from all over the place, from the Dollar Tree to Dollar General to Nordstrom to Sephora to Ulta, and along my travels, even in the grocery store. Sometimes I'll pick something up. So this is all about the makeup I'm wearing today, and I'm going to show you how I applied it all, including the false lashes. So I've done two different methods for applying the false lashes, so you can see which method you think you'd like to try. If you've never put on false lashes before, this will be a really nice introduction to them. Okay, so without further ado, let's get going.
Okay, well, here we go. Ooh, awkward and in slow-mo, just so you can catch the total effect. Anyway, yes, this is the 61-year-old me. Deep lines, look at their tear-stained edges of my eyes. People think I forget to blend my eyeliner. But let's get started. This is the Too Faced Lip Insurance. It's kind of a nice lip primer, kind of a lip balmy sort of thing. And this is Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. This is kind of the spackle paste for old ladies. Absolutely fabulous stuff. Fills in wrinkles and pores. It's a really good touch-up for those deeper lines. I use this every day. This is Milani Soft Focus Glow. This is a really nice complexion perfector, and you can see it instantly puts some color and life into my face. And this is the CoverGirl Lid Lock-Up Eye Primer. I love that they're cruelty-free now. It's great. Going into Kylie Cosmetics, and this is their Skin Concealer in Gypsum. I wish I'd gotten a slightly darker shade because this is a little bit raccoony for me, but it's a really good coverage. It lasts, it doesn't go into the lines. Love it. Laura Mercier, the Secret Under Eye Blurring Powder. I pat it in, tap it in right away with concealer so that it sets properly. This is the Huda Beauty High Coverage Foundation mixed with Almay Smart Shades Be My Light. I think the combination of these two tames down the Huda Beauty, and it brightens up the Almay. Now the shade Cheesecake is slightly dark for me, and it may look funny under the camera lights, but actually it looks quite healthy and natural in real life. So I think my camera lens is not flattering. I am putting tissues there to protect my clothing when I do my décolleté area. I'm using a Real Technique sponge. Now I'm going around with a magnifying mirror, and I'm just kind of checking that everything's smoothed out. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Contour Wand. It is a liquid contour, and I love it. You stick a little blob in there like a magic marker, and you blend it with your hand. Look at those jowls. Arf, just like a Saint Bernard. Look at that. Jowls happen when you go 60. I mean, what a difference in the last 7-8 years that I've been doing these videos. Okay, this is Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder in 01 Invisible, and a fairly new brand. She's a really nice model. I'm using an e.l.f. powder puff to apply that. I'm pressing it in, I'm not smearing it. And I love the e.l.f. powder puff probably better than any other I've used. This is Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the classic shade Exposed. And I'm just going in the upper area from my eye up back into my hairline. I think that's more flattering for older faces. This is Wet n Wild Highlight Powder in Bloom Time. It's subtle, but yet you still get that little bit of high beam, and I'm going on the pecs there. Don't want to accentuate the wrinkles, just the really good stuff. This is number 7 Bronzer in Golden Sand, and we're in the transition from summer to autumn, and I'm just brightening up my skin tone a little bit because I am pretty fish belly white. This is the Fame palette from ColourPop. It's a really nice neutral palette. I'm using the Wet n Wild Pac-Man brush, which I think those brushes were great. If you see them around still, and they may have them in some bargain houses or whatever, pick up the face brush and the little eye brush. I think they wash well, they wear well, they blend well, and I'm just blending the heck out of these colors. I'm using a crease color there, keeping my eye open so I don't use up all my real estate there. As you get older and that bone protrudes out, well, actually your eyes are sinking back into your skull, so that bone protrudes where it didn't when you were younger, kind of making it less prominent and giving that optical illusion of dimension. Now I'm going with the darker color to the outer corner, and that always looks a little blotchy at first, and I blend the heck out of it. And I'm using my crease color to kind of blend it in a little bit more. I'm kind of guilty of not blending quite enough sometimes, and you certainly let me know when I screw up on here. So this palette is a pretty well-rounded standalone. It's got some shimmers, it's got some mattes. It's a great combination. I think it's one of their better ones. The quality is pretty good. You get a little bit of kickback. Not bad. And I'm using the shimmer on the inner eye. Now this is Believe eyeliner, and that is the one from General Dollar Store. That's their own brand. It's like, you know, a couple of dollars, $3 for eyeliners and face products. Some of their products actually are really nice. Now I'm doing my entry lines there for my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and that's taupe. And I'm going in and just double checking that in the micro magnifying mirror, which shows your DNA molecules if you get a strong enough currency. This is the Tarte Lash Curler. I've been using it for years. I love it. I do wash it as well as washing my brushes. I think it's important anything around your eye gets washed. And this is Flower Beauty Warrior Mascara. This is a fabulous mascara. I think it's a little bit messy, but it really gives you those big old honkin' Liza Minnelli / Shirley MacLaine kind of lashes, and I like that. And I do my lower lashes. Some people think it's too much. It's just a bad habit of mine. Jordana Easy Liner in Tawny. That is the dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liner. And I love it. I put it all over my lips to make a nice base. And this is the Revlon Lustrous Lipstick in Soft Silver Red. This is a great color if you're scared to commit to a bright red. Catrice Freezing Spray to kind of freeze it all on my face for a while. And then I'm going around with my magnifying mirror, just checking to make sure all those details are taken care of. We are venturing into the false lashes. This is Ardell. This is their Naked Lashes line, and it's number 424. They're really fuzzy, large, hairy-looking lashes. I'm not sure I like the style. I think I still prefer my 110s. But there I am, slow-mo. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Yeah. Showing you that eye look there. I was getting complaints that I don't get close enough to the camera. That's about as close as I'm going to go, okay? I'm not a 20-year-old. Some things it's TMI. Okay, we're going to put the other one on a little bit different. I'm going to actually put the glue onto the eyelash. The other one, I drew the glue onto my eye and then stuck the lash onto it. And I'm not sure. I've used both methods. This one today with this particular lash worked better than the other way. So you have to wait like that 25 to 30 seconds. Very hard. Thank goodness I speeded this up. Blowing it out. Okay. All right. Sticking them right down, and whoa, they went on so easy. Sometimes it's good. Now this pure glue that I'm using is cruelty-free. I did notice it was a little bit stringy when I put it on, but once it's on, it's good. Okay, a little Milani lip gloss, and woo, here we go. Hot Glammy. and before. A definite before and after.
So here is the finished look. So it really isn't that hard to go glam from Plain Jane. And I hope that this has been helpful for you. It was a lot of fun creating this video. And if you do like this kind of thing, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you can get notifications of my future videos. I have all kinds of reviews coming up, so please look out for my videos, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for sharing your time with me. I know YouTube has the interest span of a toddler, and you've chosen to stick it out with me, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Welcome to my new subscribers, and thank you to my subscribers who have been with me and loyal to me for many years. I hope all of you are enjoying the beautiful autumn. I'd like to make a little special shout out to my friends and viewers out there in California dealing with those terrible fires. Hopefully you are safe and your home is safe. That's just devastating. I can only imagine. Anyway, everybody have a wonderful week and a beautiful day. Take care. Toodles.